back to the channel. It's been way too long. My apologies for the blackouts in the videos. Don't you worry though. I've got about a terabyte of footage saved up, so I'll be going through that and trying to make some awesome videos for you guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along with the channel. As always, there's always going to be more footage that comes, and I'm sure you'll want to watch. Today's video is about some of the hill climbing action that we've seen this summer. There are some, let's say, not official trails down where we like to ride. These trails lead to some seriously challenging hill climbs that I would never try, but thankfully there are some in our group, usually the crazy dirt bike guys, that are willing to try these hills. For your entertainment and my entertainment, let's follow along and watch what they do. The following footage is just some of the unofficial trails that we like to ride. Alright, let's just call it like it is. We all know they're actually outlaw trails, but hey, you know what? Those are some of the best trails to ride down here. If you want to skip right ahead to the hill climb action, then go ahead and go to a minute 30. One of our riders could have been seriously hurt. Thankfully he wasn't, but it's okay. He did get a little too close to the action and was actually hit by one of the fellow dirt bike climbers. He ended up falling down about approximately a 50-75 foot cliff. If you want to watch that little short clip, you can go ahead and skip to 3 minutes if you want to. Thankfully, he is safe, though.
I will never do it again.
No, I wouldn't say that.
In which I'm not going to do that.
Did you want to walk up to it and see?
Yeah.
Alright, well, how about you get your bike out of the way? Hey, you put your bike in my left. Here, I'll get it. Let me do it. Catch it, catch it.
It's just sliding. It's.
Oh, thank God.
See, you were halfway up in your fucking front tire.
You did?
That was insane.
I got a good video of that.
He's like,
That was just endo the whole way up. That's what I was scared of. That would be me doing that.
I don't know, I can't remember now.
That front tire hit that rock and it just went before. You alright?
He's good.
Yeah.
He's screaming up there.
That raptor's so long, he'll go to burn around up there and get up there.
Whoa, watch out.
Alright. That's what I'm worried about.
Watch out for the rock.
He'll get you there up.
Wow.
Did he hit a hill clicker on that? I didn't see a hill clicker.
Oh.
Damn rock, that is slammed.
He about got Timmy's feet.
I know, I didn't.
Hang on, Chris. Chris, wait. Oh. Typical sport quads, they always get stuck in the mud, and you need to winch them out by us grandpa quads with the 4x4 and the big old winches on the front. Don't worry though, I get stuck in some serious mud myself in just a minute. Lesson learned, if someone else doesn't go into the mud pile first, then you aren't the first one to go in. folks, that's it today. Unfortunately, we took way too long out in the outlaw trails because we kept getting stuck and had the detour. You know how it is when you're out there and you're not on an officially grouped trail. Anyway, the battery on my GoPro died, and I didn't have any more spares, so this is going to be the end of the video today. I definitely appreciate you all staying and watching the videos. I can't believe I'm already at 400 and almost 30 subscribers. It seems crazy to me that I would have that many followers. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow along. Bye-bye.